Hello friends, greetings to ARNOB Gadget channel. In this new content, today I will discuss with you about the best attractive Motorola foldable phones, that is Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra. So friends, let's go. The Motorola RAZR 40 series is here to spice up the foldable smartphone market in India, which is currently dominated by Samsung. The Lenovo-owned smartphone company has launched two new foldables, the Motorola RAZR 40 and Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra. The RAZR 40 Ultra packs top-of-the-line hardware, some segment-leading features, and the priced competitively at Rs 89,999 rupees. The RAZR 40, on the other hand, is an affordable version of the Ultra, comes with an equally aggressive price of 59,999 rupees. At the India launch event, we got to spend some time with the new foldable phones, and here are our first impressions. Starting with the Motorola RAZR 40 Ultra, the device certainly makes a statement with its massive cover display that we have never seen before on a clamshell style foldable phones. Ironically, the cover display is more of a talking point in my opinion than the foldable display itself. The outer screen on the RAZR 40 Ultra is a 3.6-inch 144Hz OLED display, which can be used to perform almost any routine tasks that you would do on the larger inner display. Fun fact, the RAZR 40 Ultra's cover display is better than the first iPhone, which came out back 2007. The RAZR 40 Ultra gets a 12-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.5 aperture and supports for optical image stabilizations. It also has a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture and a 108-degree field of view. On the inside, there is a tall 6.9-inch 165Hz OLED foldable display with a teeny hole punch cutout at the top center for the 32-megapixel camera. While we are yet to test the cameras in details, I think for selfies, the outer cameras coupled with the massive cover display as a viewfinder could well be a better choice compared to the inner camera. The RAZR 40 Ultra has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC and has been launched in India with 12GB of RAM along with 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The phone also packs a sizable 3800 mAh battery with 30W wired fast charging and a modest 5W wireless charging support. All this hardware is packed in a body which consists of a metal frame and a vegan leather back panel. The phone also gets an IP52 certifications for water and dust resistance. Finally friends, many thanks for watching this content and staying with us for a long time. Please subscribe this channel and stay connected. Thanks.